Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obcezzd Designs. I'm Princess Masong, Head Designer and Creative Director at MES, Masong Architectural Services.
I have been in the design industry for 3 years, but my family has been constructing buildings, houses, and renovating spaces for as long as I can remember. Well, I believe it runs in the blood, and this is my time. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Cess, and I'm obsessed with design.
So for today's episode, we are back here at Horizons 101 Cebu.
But wait, let's get back to where it all started. My client for this project saw me on YouTube, and since she's living abroad, we communicated mainly through email. This project is a 35.7 square meter one-bedroom unit. This is their existing floor plan, and this is our proposed layout. Horizons 101 is at the heart of the city, so it is very accessible to any place in Cebu you can think of. We chose to use these playful tiles for the backsplash of the kitchen. Horizons 101 provided these lower cabinets and kitchen counter, and so we provided the cupboards or the upper cabinets. We also added this pantry area for the washing machine and other stuffs like rice cooker and oven toaster, since we don't have enough space in the kitchen area. And if you're wondering, it's located here. For the bathroom, we added this lavatory counter with cabinet and shelves for storage. In the shower area, we incorporated a soap holder and a water heater. We also provided this drying rack since we already have a washing machine and there's no other place to hang your wet clothes in condo living. It is very convenient and goes out of sight when closed. Most of the furniture in this unit is leather finished. This material helps for the furniture to last long. The pattern for our wallpaper is ornamental. It looks very elegant and high-end. The substrate for our cabinets are MDF board. The shelves and most of our millworks are made of MDF boards as well. This artwork is the main attraction for the living area. Most of the time, the identification of a space being high-end or low-end is through the incorporation of cove lightings. This gives a space a very glamorous feel. To give life to a space, it is very important to include plants in the decorations, whether they be real or faux. We chose the circular table for the dining area to do away with the sharp edges of a square table and create a flow from the kitchen to the living area. This bar sets the standard high for other rental units. It screams elegance with its gold details. These bar stools are originally cotton finished and are also reupholstered to leatherette. The best way to elevate the feeling of luxury in this space is accessorizing with gold detail and of course mirrors, lots and lots of mirrors. This vanity area is personally requested by the owner. And if we haven't mentioned it yet, this unit is actually for rent. So we provided these towels and other complimentary toiletries. Inspired by other 5-star hotels, we installed this safety box for important things tenants may store. This queen-size bed is also customized to have a single pull-out bed at the bottom. Let me show you how. Ta-da! This is their balcony, and since we are at the 45th floor, imagine the best view of Cebu City you can ever think of, especially at night. There you have it, guys!
So if you like this video, please do smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more space flips like this and design videos. If you're interested in our design and renovation or build services, you may contact us through this email. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Before I end the video, I would like to ask for your help for my friend who's battling cancer. She's also an architect and a registered master plumber like I am. Her GCash number is flashed on the screen for those who are willing to donate. Thank you everyone, and stay safe.